What's going on, guys? So I'm about to do a Honda Odyssey insurance call, zero, but I'm doing this call because somebody put a plug in this man's car, probably didn't even check it, and back at square one. Been waiting since 8:30 this morning, and not saying I'm getting the short end of the stick, I still get paid for it, so I'm thankful, but man, this dude been waiting 4 hours for somebody, for the same dude, should I say, that didn't show back up, but took his money. Who does that? We know who do that. All you shady roadsides out there, man, y'all gotta stop doing that crap, bro. It ain't cool. See, man, the tire is flat. He said he put a plug in. I'm gonna go ahead and call him out and get this thing set up, and I'm gonna take the tire off. He said that the guy didn't even take the tire out. He could have another nail in it, or he just could have put a hole in it himself and repaired it. Who knows? But let me get you set up. All right, so we're gonna get the well lock. This thing, the spare is actually in the middle.
Oh, it's under there? What?
Nah, it's in the middle.
Oh, that's where it is?
Sir,
Oh, I would have been looking.
You would have been looking all over the place.
Oh my gosh, I would have looked under this thing here. How the hell they get?
I don't know why they put it here.
Oh my gosh.
But
Amazing. Oh my gosh. That's much harder than if it was in the back there, right?
Yeah.
Much harder.
I guess they thought it was easy when they did it.
Right. Oh my god.
Alright, so we're gonna put this back in. Gonna close by it.
So you can show everything you did.
I already put your parking brake on, so we're good. What time did they show up yesterday?
Well, last night it wasn't quite so bad. I
Uh-huh.
called them around 6:30 or so. They were here. Guy came about 8 o'clock or so, out at 8:30, and he saw the nail.
Oh.
And I don't know if he even must have checked up the car. No, I don't know what he did. He said he could fix the flat, and he said that after he fixed it, he said he patched it, and I should drive the car. A little later, he said, drive the car around the thing so that it adheres to it, or I don't know. I came out to do it 2 hours later, and it was down. It was low. And I said, "Gee," and I tried to drive it out of the driveway. And
Let's see what we got going on. That's not good. Can't repair that.
that way he stuck that in there.
That's a whole slip.
He stuck that in there and said it was good.
Did you pay for this?
Yeah, I paid him $40 for it.
That's not
Unbelievable.
Hello?
I think it was-
I just text you that the property manager said that he took it down to get the battery checked. I was confused too. 'Cause I thought yeah, because I thought that he was the husband. I was confused. Like, wait a minute. Shit. All right.
Yeah, so that's where he made his extra money on that.
He did. He got free money. That's what he got. Shame on him.
Yeah.
So this is
I
what.
guess that's why he didn't call me back. He said, call me if there's a problem. I called
Yeah,
him.
this is the plug put in this guy's car. Look how big that hole is. Even he didn't even cut this off.
Well, you saw the nail, right? There, should I show you
Yeah,
the nail
yeah.
was in there?
He's gonna actually show me the nail what came in it, so it had to go sideways. But look at the angle of this. That's a slit. Look at the plug. He said he patched it. This is a plug.
Here's the nail.
This is the nail that came out of this. So it had to go in this way like that and taken out, but there's no way this is fixable with the plug. And he charged him $40 for this and it went out 2 hours later. And you said you was waiting since what? 8:30 this morning, and he called the guy, didn't even pick up. So all you shady roadsides out there, man, you guys need to stop doing what you guys doing. Just take care of people, man.
Right.
I don't like that at all.
No, it's good for you. Not good for people, but
Yeah.
especially for you. You're a legitimate.
I'm cleaning up his work when it should already been done. So that's what they get paid to do this, right?
Yeah.
The first time, but I guess everybody's
You
not
gonna
the
send
same.
that into the travelers?
I take pictures of everything.
Will you send that thing into?
Oh, you want me to?
Yeah.
Oh.
They sent them. They said the guys. Finally got a representative. You know how hard that is.
It is.
That's how he said it.
She also
So
got
it's
it.
a good thing I'm home and I don't have to.
Yeah, but
but
still,
for
you
somebody
lost.
that's out on the street,
Yeah,
God.
you still lost time because you can't go nowhere. Oh.
She usually drives the car. She took mine to.
What do you drive? The Ferrari?
I drive a Genesis, and I'll tell you when I got it, it was the best kept secret people didn't know how good a car it was.
Oh,
Got it back in 2014. People didn't know what it was. So it was 36. Well, no, even when I got it in 2018, it was 36,000 for the car, or for an 80, and then the 80 Genesis. It was very underpriced. Nowadays,
oh, yes, sir. Definitely
I
is.
bought out the lease, and then they charged me the dealer. You had to buy it from the dealer, so the dealer got.
Oh.
You couldn't buy it right from Genesis.
So I'm gonna check the air in your spare.
Everything is down. It's never been used, right?
Tire doesn't look like it's worn very well.
That's good. While we're here, that's that around. It's only got 15,000 miles on it. That tire.
Oh, wow.
Right?
It's worn down.
My son got it. He has flat tire. He got it at Walmart. So you try and call Walmart, you can't get anybody there.
Yeah.
You can't talk to anybody there.
Nah. Okay, just let this down.
So how much was it down? What is it? Air does that take?
60 pounds. Well, that takes 60
So what was
pounds.
it down to?
That was down about 20. If you don't use it, it's definitely gonna go out. All right, so I'll put that in the back for you.
Oh, you need it. Can I get you a drink? A
Um,
Gatorade? I got a Gatorade for you.
Gatorade?
I want to give you something too.
I'm looking to pay my car payment next month. If you can pay that. Oh, thank you. He thought I was playing. I was for real. All right, so got spare on. Got this bad tire. What this bad guy did to this good guy with this bad plug inside the car. Everything's done. What was your name, sir?